by giving her storybooks or by telling stories of the dream books that have already learned.
I was shocked to see he was such happy as if he has got everything.
It gave me an idea that how a teacher is at the school and teaches us, and it also helped me that to be quiet in the class, because if we will talk then the teacher will get disturbed and she will not be able to teach.
There was a real change in the self-confidence. I lacked self-confidence really very much. But after teaching her, it really improved a lot.
And I thought because he was not able to speak in properly, and he got wrong pronunciation, so I thought I would be able to teach him, then I would be happy.
She used to come and ask me the questions whenever she had any doubts. I feel very good about it.
I motivated him because of greed. It was that I said that if you will study, you will become a good man, big man, and you will earn a money. That thought, I think, so motivated him to study.
After I gave her the first lesson, she was very eager to know.
Yes, I want to continue the help the learner.
Her son's school was discontinued because of the financial crisis, so she wanted that I should teach him.
Because she wants to study. But she cannot because of some financial problems.
He wants to learn more. He was curious to learn more.
Yes, my brother helped me.
Didi, please teach me 1 hour more. Please teach me 1 hour more. So again, her interest was so much that she used to take the book from me, and the next day when I used to go to her house, and then she used to return the book back to me. She was very excited at first, but in between she got a little distracted. She thought that it is very difficult and I will not able to do this. And
Whenever I see him, he starts saying A for apple, P for ball, C for like this. I taught him English also.
This thing has developed self-confidence in me, and I think I would be able to teach someone else really soon.
My mother and my grandmother helped me a lot doing this project.
Because he has got the knowledge, so now he was thinking, yes, that I am something, I am existable in this society.
He got 4 to 5 in the pre-test, and in post-test he got 28.
She can write Hindi now, and she can read the Hindi newspaper very well now. 1 page, not more than that.
Something else, it would be nice to teach someone else. I'd never been under this process, so it was a very nice process for me.
Notice an admiration in the child.
actually she is little nervous to study, and I am little nervous to teach her.
That he was speaking with full confidence.
The first day when she read the whole sentence without any of my help.
I'll tell my experience to them and my friends' experience, and tell them the importance of literacy.
Yes, I have to motivate them, because they firstly are not educated, so they don't know that how education is important. So that's why
He showed, he went running in the whole house, I can write my name.
It helped me to improve my Hindi, because matras are the main thing in Hindi.
It was a nice way how to teach someone, how to make her learn.
I told him the motivational stories of great personalities like Dhirubhai Ambani.
He taught me that without the studies also he was so happy, but after studies he'll be more happy.
She told me how to be confident.
And she can write even.
The difficult during the process was to make her learn that how the matras are different from normal words.
Something that da, he said da, and it was very difficult to teach him the pronunciation of the words.
Score in the pre-test was 10 out of 30.
Difficult was that when he got down, that I'll not be able to, let it be.
So she got very excited and said that please teach.
It was nice experience.
I'm really motivated that I can teach someone. Yes, it made a difference, because I got confident that I could teach someone. Yeah, this is it has made a very great impact on me, because now I know that I have the confidence that I can teach people and I can make someone literate.
It has motivated me and has helped me upwards that I should work hard. If he can, then I also with resources should work double as much as him.
Yes, it has made me confident that I can teach, and I will teach many more to change this world.
By teaching the same person through 1 class above. Now I teach him Hindi, now I will teach English, I will try to teach ABCD.
Her mother, her father, her whole family thanked me. They blessed me that you are doing very good work for teaching those who are not able to achieve their dreams and not able to study. Yeah, first I had to motivate them, because they were not so much interested in studying.
Yes, I would really like to motivate others.
Literacy is the only power we have, and without literacy our world is nothing.
Because literacy can only revamp anything or ameliorate the condition of India present day.
My learner taught me to be good in nature and be happy always.